Society. Next term comes, society. What is society? Okay, look, society is defined as a wave of social relationship. Society is defined as a wave of social relationship consisting of group of people, right? Or you can say a social group, right? Social groups, social associations, social communities. I used three terms here, right? Society is a wave of social relationship consisting of social groups. Consisting of group of people means social groups, social associations, and social communities. Group, association, and community, right? I will define these three terms also separately, right? Here you please try to understand what is society, right? Society is a wave of social relationship, right? A wave of social relationship. Society, again I will repeat, society is a wave of social relationship, a wave of social interaction, right? A wave of social behavior, right? You can say it's a network of, right, people engaged in social interaction. In more simpler terms, it is a network. Society is a network of people, right, engaged in social interaction, right? So this social interaction or this wave of social relationship is not unorganized or random, right? The wave of social relationship or the social interaction. I'm moving to some other concept right here. You understood what is society? So society is a wave of social relationship consisting of a group of people, right, which you refer as social relation, social group, right, social associations and social communities, etc., right? I will discuss it later on. I will discuss these terms also later on, right? Abhi you should focus on understanding society. What is society? So society is a wave of social relationship consisting of group of people. It is a network of social relationship, right? Consisting of group of people, right? Okay.